my name is Claire O'Connell, and this is my teaching sample for Breakthrough Collaborative 2013. Okay, so today we're going to work on a word problem. So I'm going to hand you guys out each a copy of the problem, where you have space to work on it and write it down. Here you go. So let's just go through it together piece by piece. It is 82 degrees in Boston and 67 degrees in Minneapolis. The temperature in Boston is falling by 2 degrees per hour, and the temperature in Minneapolis is rising by 3 degrees per hour. Assuming that these rates of temperature change remain the same, at what time will the temperature in each city be the same? So the way we're going to set this up is with two equations. So let's do the equation for Boston. So the temperature is 82 degrees so far, minus 2 degrees times x. Yes?
What does x stand for?
X stands for the number of hours that are passing. Good question. So then we're going to do the same thing for Minneapolis. And that is 67 degrees plus 3 times x, because it is 3 degrees that is increasing for every hour that passes. So now we're going to set these equal to each other and solve. Yeah?
I'm confused about why we set them equal to each other.
They're equal to each other because we're going to solve for x, which is the number of hours that have to pass, in order to figure out when the temperatures are equal to each other. So now we're just going to solve this by adding 2x to each side so that we get all of the x's on one side. So now we have 82 equals 67 plus 5x. So now we need all of the numbers on one side, so we'll subtract 67 from both sides. So 15 equals 5x. Now, can anybody tell me how we can solve for the last step? Yeah?
If you divide 15 by 5.
Perfect. So we'll do this. And then what we end up with is that 3 equals x, which tells us that it's going to take 3 hours until the temperatures in Boston and Minneapolis are the same. Does anybody have any further questions? Good. Okay, so we're going to do this cheer now, and I'm going to hand it out to you guys so you all have a copy. I'm going to say it once so you guys can get the hang of it, and we'll all say it together with some enthusiasm. So it goes, variables and equations, mathematics for all occasions, reading, writing, thoughts uniting, from the mountains to the sky, it's no wonder why, mighty, mighty Denver is a city to remember. All right, guys, ready?
Ready.
Variables and equations, mathematics for all occasions, reading, writing, thoughts uniting, from the mountains to the sky, it's no wonder why, mighty, mighty Denver is a city to remember. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for considering my application to teach for Breakthrough Collaborative.